Quick steps to install LED strip lights. Choose the right LED strip lights. Consider factors like brightness level, color options, IP ratings for water and dust resistance, and whether RGB or single color strips best meet your needs. Prepare for installation. Gather all necessary materials, plan your layout according to the desired lighting effect, and prepare the installation area by cleaning it properly for optimal LED adhesive attachment. Attach your LED strip lights. Begin near the power source. Press firmly for proper adhesion and secure the strips with additional fixings like clips every 1 to 2 feet. Power your LED strip lights. Ensure the power supply matches the LED strip's voltage needs. Use a controller for customization if necessary. Customize and connect. Multiple LED strips. Cut and connect strips at your desired length and arrange them in unique patterns for a personalized lighting design.